What is a see today what we are going to discuss is we are going to discuss something called as spontaneous process first, and then we will establish a relation between spontaneity and energy. We will be discussing something called as entropy. We will be discussing something called as second law of thermodynamics. Students, आता आपण एंड आलो टॉपिकच्या. बराच मोठा टॉपिक आणि इम्पॉर्टंट पण आहे हा. ओके, विल स्टार्ट. व्हॉट इज अ स्पॉन्टानियस प्रोसेस? स्पॉन्टानियस प्रोसेस ही एक नॅचरल प्रोसेस आहे. रिपीट, जितकी जगात तुम्हाला रिॲक्शन्स दिसतात किंवा प्रोसेसेस दिसतात जे नॅचरली ऑकरिंग आहेत, दे आर ऑल spontaneous process. Spontaneous process is a process which takes place on its own without any external influence. Point number 1. Point number 2. The spontaneous process takes place in a particular direction only, but can be reversed. If you want to reverse it, you have to apply some external stimulus. Point number 2. Point number 3. Spontaneous process may be a slow process or a rapid process, but it should not be confused with the rate of reaction. म्हणजे rate of reaction आणि spontaneityचा काही संबंध नाही. Fourth, spontaneous process continues till equilibrium is reached. म्हणजे the tendency of spontaneous process is to attain equilibrium. Equilibrium म्हणजे minimum energy. I'll repeat, what is a spontaneous process? Confuse करू नका. हा एक natural process आहे which takes place on its own, like melting of ice, evaporation of water. हे सगळे spontaneous process आहे. Spontaneous process is a process which takes place on its own without any external influence. It takes place in a typical direction and can be reversed only with the help of, or can be made to follow an opposite direction only under an external stimulus. Third, spontaneous process may be a slow process or a rapid process, and it should not be confused with the rate of reaction. म्हणजे असं अर्थ होत नाही की रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन जर फास्ट असेल तर तो स्पॉन्टानियस आहे अँड ऑल दॅट. स्पॉन्टानियस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूज टिल द सिस्टम रिचेस इक्विलिब्रियम. इक्विलिब्रियमचा अर्थ की स्पॉन्टानियस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूज टिल द एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम इज मिनिमम. नेक्स्ट, व्हॉट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन स्पॉन्टॅनिटी अँड एनर्जी? Spontaneity of a reaction, the tendency of spontaneity of reaction is to attain minimum energy. I'll repeat, the tendency of spontaneity of a reaction is to attain minimum energy. Like for example, आता एक simple spontaneity of a reaction घेऊया. If you take hydrochloric acid, if you take a strong acid and a strong base, माझी भाषा आहे का? नीट ऐकून घ्या. When you make a strong acid and a strong base to react with each other, students, मला सॉल्ट मिळतो. ही एक नॅचरल प्रोसेस आहे विच डज नॉट रिक्वायर एनी एक्सटर्नल एजंट. हियर अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज लिबरेटेड आउट. थोडक्यात सांगायचं काय, रिॲक्शन इज एक्झोथर्मिक. ओके, म्हणजे मिनिमम एनर्जी, ह्या रिॲक्शनची एनर्जी कमी झाली. ओके, स्पॉन्टॅनिटी ऑफ अ रिॲक्शन is to attain minimum energy. Minimum energy means if you take a reaction of HCl and NaOH, no doubt it's an exothermic reaction. But are all exothermic reactions spontaneous? ही एक क्रायटेरिया, एक्झोथर्मिसिटी हा एक क्रायटेरिया इज नॉट इनफ to define a spontaneous process. Exothermity is not sufficient to define a spontaneous प्रोसेस. लाईक फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आता एक सरळ साधं एक एक्झाम्पल देते. एक प्रोसेस कन्सिडर करा. ॲट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस आईस मेल्ट्स टू फॉर्म वॉटर. ही एक नॅचरल प्रोसेस आहे. ॲट 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस आईस मेल्ट्स टू फॉर्म वॉटर, अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस, बट द रिॲक्शन इज एंडोथर्मिक. हे एक्झो आहे, एनर्जी मिनिमम झाले. इथं आईस विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इन टू वॉटर ओनली ऑन ॲब्झॉर्प्शन ऑफ हीट, म्हणजे endothermic. Water will get converted into water vapor. It's a spontaneous process, but only with the absorption of heat. म्हणजे exothermicity and endothermicity, we'll put it like this. If the system attains minimum energy, it does not mean that the process is spontaneous. कळतंय माझं सांगायचं? म्हणजे जर रिॲक्शन एक्झोथर्मिक असेल तर तो स्पॉन्टानियस रिॲक्शन झालं नाही. There are some endothermic reactions also which are spontaneous, like मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस ही एक नॅचरल प्रोसेस आहे, स्पॉन्टॅनियस प्रोसेस आहे, बट एंडोथर्मिक. कन्वर्शन ऑफ वॉटर इनटू वॉटर वेपर इज अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस बट एंडोथर्मिक. ओके, हा पॉइंट नंबर 2. हे बघा, स्पॉन्टॅनियस प्रोसेस, नॅचरल प्रोसेस, takes place in a particular direction, may be slow or rapid, and takes place until equilibrium is reached. The tendency of spontaneous process is to attain minimum energy, means the reaction should be exothermic, but there are several other reactions like melting of ice and conversion of water into water vapor where the reaction is spontaneous process but endothermic. कळतंय? म्हणजे exothermic is not the only criteria to prove that the process or the reaction is, मला सांगायचं का पर्पज की exothermic reaction म्हणजे the reaction where the energy is minimum is not the criteria enough to prove that the process is spontaneous. ठीक है? Number 3, we will be discussing some very important term which is called entropy, denoted by the letter capital S. एक सांगते तुम्हाला, इन सॉलिड फॉर्म आइस, इन सॉलिड फॉर्म द वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, मी भाषा जी सांगते ती नीट ऐका. हा, इन सॉलिड फॉर्म ऑफ आइस द वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल्स आर अरेंज्ड इन अ रेग्युलर पॅटर्न. हे तर ॲग्री आहे. ओके, यू हीट आइस और bring the temperature to 0 degrees Celsius. Ice starts melting, means water molecules start moving away from each other. The randomness of the molecules increase. Disorderness of the molecules increase. Point number 2. Point number 3. If you take water, there is already randomness of the molecules. Why? Because the molecules are in continuous rapid motion. आता परत एक spontaneous process धरा where you are converting water into water vapor. The जी का disorderness होती water मध्ये that was still lesser, but when water gets converted into water vapor the disorderness increases at a still high level. माझं सांगायचं काय, 3 states of water धरलो आपण. in ice molecules were closely packed, there was a regular crystalline structure. Randomness of the molecules was less. When ice melted to form water, the randomness of water molecules increased. The randomness of water molecules increased, and when water got converted into water vapor, the randomness increased at a still larger level. This measurement. This measure of molecular disorderness or molecular randomness is done by a quantity which is called as entropy. So what is entropy? It is a measurement of, it's a quantity which measures the disorderness or randomness, molecular randomness of a given system. Entropy is denoted by the letter S. Let me tell you, it is a state function. It does not depend on it is not a path function, means it does not depend upon the path followed by the system, but it only depends on the initial and the final states of the system. That's it. हे झालं तुमचं entropy. आता exactly what is the definition? हे IMP आहे, quantitative definition of entropy. Entropy म्हणजे काय? It is a measure of molecular disorderness. Quantitative measure of entropy is given by, very important statement, delta Q reversible divided by capital T. म्हणजे the change in entropy of the system is equal to the heat energy supplied to it in a reversible manner divided by the temperature at which the heat supply takes place. I'll repeat, the change in entropy of the system is equal to the heat energy supplied to it in a reversible manner divided by the temperature at which the heat transfer takes place. करते हैं परत रिवाइज. Change in entropy is equal to the heat energy supplied to it in a reversible manner divided by the temperature at which the heat transfer takes place. अर्थ काय होतो याचा की समजा you want you want hydrogen peroxide to get dissociated. हे बघा, hydrogen peroxide H2 plus O2, हाँ, hydrogen peroxide it decomposes into H2 plus O2. कळतंय? हाँ, oxygen is liberated. Oxygen is liberated म्हणजे randomness or spontaneity increases. ह्याचा अर्थ काय होतं? Like change in entropy is the heat energy supplied to it in a reversible manner. Students, तुम्ही एखादी रिॲक्शन घडते किंवा एखादी प्रोसेस होते, अ प्रोसेस इज टेकिंग प्लेस आणि तुम्ही एक्सटर्नली त्याला हीट एनर्जी नॉर्मली अ प्रोसेस इज गेटिंग कंडक्टेड अँड हीट एनर्जी इज सप्लाय टू एक्सटर्नली, तर ह्याची रँडमनेस वाढली, मॉलिक्युल्सला आयती एनर्जी मिळाली, बरोबर. त्यामुळे एंट्रॉपी इज डायरेक्टली प्रपोर्शनल टू द हीट एनर्जी सप्लायड. म्हणजे मोर द हीट एनर्जी supplied to a given system, a reaction or a process, the entropy, the molecular disorderness increases. But the heat energy supplied to the system depends on the temperature. Students, already जर त्या सिस्टमचं टेम्परेचर जास्त असेल, भाषा आहे का, ऑलरेडी इफ द टेम्परेचर सिस्टम, इफ द सिस्टम्स टेम्परेचर इज व्हेरी हाय आणि त्याच्यात तुम्ही हीट एनर्जी घालताय, तर त्याचं काय इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे? नथिंग. कळते? See, it's like this. If the temperature is very low and you are supplying heat energy, then the randomness will increase. When already the temperature is high, already there is randomness, आणि तरी त्याच्यावर उगाच दाखवायसाठी तुम्ही heat energy घातली, then the addition of heat energy will not create any such molecular chaos. ह्याला म्हणतो आपण change in entropy is equal to the heat energy supplied to it in a reversible manner divided by the temperature at which the heat energy takes place. म्हणजे if the temperature is low and heat energy is supplied, change in entropy will be you can measure the change in entropy. But if already the temperature of the system is high and त्याच्यावर तुम्ही heat energy supply केली, importance राहणार नाही. That is the quantitative measure of something called as entropy. That's it. कळतं? Now we will discuss the relation between entropy and spontaneous process. Entropy and spontaneous, what is the relation between entropy and spontaneous process? आता तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी एक एक्झाम्पल दिलंय, हां, ही एक स्पॉन्टॅनियस प्रोसेस आहे बिकॉज हीट एनर्जी इज ॲब्सॉर्ब्ड. तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड dissociates to form hydrogen gas as well as oxygen. Liberated, एक मिनिट, H2O तयार होतो, H2 नाही, हां. See, the process is spontaneous. Why is it spontaneous? Because hydrogen peroxide liberates, or we'll put it like this, the process is spontaneous because it takes place on its own. You take hydrogen peroxide and when it absorbs a particular amount of heat, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas is liberated. Oxygen gas liberated म्हणजे एंट्रॉपी वाढली, म्हणजे increase in the in a given, सांगायचं काय उद्देश, in a given spontaneous process the entropy of the system increases. हां, for a spontaneous, म्हणजे सांगायचा उद्देश काय, for a spontaneous process the entropy of the system increases. For example, hydrogen peroxide dissociates to form water molecule as well as oxygen. ह्याच्यात it is a spontaneous process because it takes place on its own and entropy also increases, disorderness increases. Reason, कारण ऑक्सिजन gaseous फॉर्म मध्ये आहे जो लिबरेट आउट होतो. कळलं? That's it. म्हणजे the more spontaneous, generally most of the spontaneous reactions, in spontaneous reaction the entropy increases. That's it. हे सांगायचं आहे. Now, a very important part which is called the second law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics. What is it? The total entropy, काही मोठं नाही आहे म्हणून, पण important खूप आहे. The total entropy of the system is equal to the total entropy of a given system is equal to the entropy of the system plus change in entropy of the surroundings. The total entropy of the system is entropy, sum of the entropy of the system and the surroundings. आता हे काय टीचर काय दाखवते हे बघा स्टुडंट्स. यू टेक अ सिंपल एक्झाम्पल that hydrogen and oxygen are reacting together to form water molecule. Hydrogen and oxygen are reacting together to form water molecule. Okay. Heads up, entropy of the system is positive. Positive म्हणजे molecular disorderedness वाढली. Entropy of the system is positive. It is round about, we'll put it like this. Sorry, entropy of the system minus 327 joule. He entropy. If you look into enthalpy, that is the heat energy of the system, it is minus 572 kilojoule. Now you know that total entropy delta S is equal to what? Heat energy supplied in reversible process म्हणजे plus 572 10 raised to 3 divided by the reaction is taking place at 25 degrees Celsius. Answer comes out to be 1919. कळतंय? मग मला सांगा entropy of the system is negative. Total entropy is entropy of the system which is minus 327 plus entropy of the surroundings because heat energy is lost where? To the surroundings. 1919. I hope you agree. It is greater than 0. ह्याला म्हणतो आपण सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. मी परत रिवाइज करते मुलांना. व्हॉट इज सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स? द टोटल एंट्रोपी ऑफ अ सिस्टम increases in a spontaneous process. I'll repeat. The total entropy of the system, which is the entropy of the system plus surroundings, increases in a spontaneous process. वाढते. त्याच्यासाठी we have taken a simple reaction where hydrogen and oxygen are reacting to form water molecule. The entropy of the system ची entropy किती आहे? minus 327 joule. एन्थाल्पी किती हीट एनर्जी ॲब्झॉर्ब झाली, किती हीट एनर्जी लिबरेट झाली? minus 572 किलोजूल. What is the definition for change in entropy? It is the heat energy taking place in reversible manner divided by the temperature. Reversible. आता delta H enthalpy is nothing but the heat energy. उलटी घ्या, प्लस करा. 527 किलोजूल आहे, multiply by 10 raised to 3 divided by 290 we get 1919. मग मला सांगा टोटल एंट्रोपी किती झाली मुलांनो? It is minus 327 plus 1919. I hope you agree. Calculations कोण विचारत नाही. Is it greater than 0? So is the second law of thermodynamics verified? The total entropy of the system increases in a spontaneous process. कळलं? To explain, an entropy of a system is minus म्हणजे randomness decreases, कारण हे दोन्ही गॅस आहेत मुलांनो आणि हा लिक्विड आहे. सो नॅचरली एंट्रोपी ऑफ द सिस्टम विल बिकम नेगेटिव्ह कारण रँडमनेस कमी होत आहे. पण हीट एनर्जी when hydrogen and oxygen react to form water, heat energy is liberated out. Definition of enthalpy of the liberated out to where? Surroundings. So entropy of the surroundings as per this formula is plus enthalpy because enthalpy is nothing but heat energy. So heat energy is this divided by the temp because the reaction generally takes place at room temperature 298 kelvins. So total entropy of the system increases in a spontaneous process. कळतं? एक्झाम्पल सकट एक्सप्लेन करायचं. यू गेट फुल मार्क्स. जर आता थोडा पार्ट राहिला दॅट विल कम्प्लीट युअर टॉपिक ॲज वेल. मोठा टॉपिक आहे मुलांनो. PDF आहे. यू हॅव नो ऑप्शन. अभ्यास करून घ्यायचा. ठीक आहे? या